Oh, he's a good one, man.
Yeah, he is.
Hey, I think you need the fucking...
The net?
The net, man.
Where's your line? Damn.
Wow.
That is a good one.
Holy cow. Look at this baby. Nice. Did you see him jump out of the water? Holy cow.
If you were, God damn, that's a nice one.
He is nice. I put this duct tape to try to keep from ripping up their mouths so bad.
Oh, and the mouth open, that's mouth spreader?
Yeah.
Ow.
No, you don't like it, buddy, but... Alright. Oh, man, I can't find my pliers.
Oh, that's it. Your Leatherman's in your pocket. Right there.
I know, I took it. Oh, there it is. I didn't even need it. I'm sorry, but I'm trying to help you. Look at this baby.
Oh, dude.
That is a nice one, huh?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Get back in there.